The Marcus Garvey Technical High School in St. Ann is in a celebratory mood after being selected among the top 10 schools in the world for overcoming adversity. As Kian Morgan reports in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, administrators from the school, which is the only Jamaican institution in the entire competition, are confident the school will cop the top prize.
The finals are months away, but the jubilation here is as if they've already won. For years, the Marcus Garvey Technical High School in St. Ann's Bay has been deemed a failing school. This after grappling with frequent violence among its student population. The biggest struggle? Poor performance in literacy and numeracy. It was so bad that the National Education Inspectorate recommended immediate intervention.
Our students really were not learning optimally. Like any other institution across the world, we had pockets of excellence, but that was being drowned out by the noise of indiscipline.
Aniona Jones has been principal of the institution since 2018. She says that after realizing the impact it was having on student development, administrators decided that if things were to change, they must implement measures to curb learning loss. She admits that continuing the work of previous administrations was paramount. As such, a public education campaign was implemented to strengthen the school's image as well as eliminate absenteeism and encourage participation among students.
Unless parents knew that we had shed that skin, that we could provide their children with education in a safe place, they would not send their children here.
In 2020, the school saw drastic improvements in its CSEC and CAPE exam results, a victory which encouraged administrators to enter this year's T4 Education World's Best School Prizes in the category Overcoming Adversities. The institution has since been ranked among the top 10.
If you have a clear vision that can span across administration, if you're able to focus on the children's learning, then your school too can overcome.
Tracy and Tate, who has been teaching at the institution since she was 19 years old, says she has seen the growth and is proud to be a part of the success.
Looking back at things that we have went through the past and comparing it now to what is happening now, of course it's a big deal. I'm elated.
Devon Hay, a vendor outside the school, also believes the institution is deserving of the award.
I see the good side and the bad side of Marcus Garvey Technical High School, and I know they're coming a far way. So they enter this competition, I would like to see them win it.
The winner will be announced in October later this year. Principal Jones says regardless of the outcome, the school will continue to work to improve its students. With your ray of hope, I am Kian Morgan.